Hello, I'm Joel Menchey, and I'd like to welcome you to Menchey Music Service in Harrisburg, PA. When my grandfather started Menchey Music in 1936, his goal was to serve the needs of students, parents, and music educators and provide support to local school music programs. That is still our mission today. We carry a full line of musical instruments, including band and orchestral instruments, guitars, amps, and Yamaha digital pianos, plus printed music and accessories. We offer a convenient rent-to-own plan on instruments with low monthly payments and full return privileges, plus an instrument switching and trade-up program. Menchey Music is also your one-stop shop for all your instrument repair and service needs. You can rely on our staff of expert instrument repair technicians to get the job done right. Interested in lessons? We have those too. All of our teachers have been fully vetted, including a multi-state background check, so you can be confident your student is in a safe and encouraging environment. So stop in today so we can show you everything we have to offer.